In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed audio files into your Obsidian notes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to play recordings right inside your note, which is perfect for meeting audio, interviews, language practice, or any reference clip you want at your fingertips. Start by opening Obsidian. Give it a moment to load your vault, then head to the note where you want the audio to live. This could be a daily note, a project page, or a dedicated media note. Whatever fits your workflow. Make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the audio player to appear, so the embed lands in the right spot. Now locate your audio file on your computer. Obsidian supports common formats like .mp3, .bwave, and .m4a. With your note open, simply drag the file from your File Explorer and drop it into the editor area of the note. You'll see a subtle highlight as you hover over the note. Let go when you're in the right place. That's it. No extra configuration required. Obsidian will automatically insert the audio and handle the file for you. Behind the scenes, it stores a copy inside your vault, typically in your attachments folder if you've set one up. In the note itself, you'll see an embedded audio player appear. If you're using live preview or reading mode, it will show up as a clean player with controls. If you briefly see a bit of markdown text, that's normal. Obsidian converts it into the player automatically. To listen, click the play button right inside the note. Use the timeline to scrub to a specific moment and adjust the volume with the control on the player or your system volume. You can pause, resume, or move the cursor in your note while the audio continues to play, which is great for taking timestamped notes or jotting thoughts as you listen. If you don't hear anything, double-check your output device and volume settings, and make sure the file type is one of the supported formats. A few quick tips for a smoother experience. Keep your audio file names clear and descriptive so they're easy to search. Place the embed near the relevant text so context isn't lost. And if your notes are synced across devices, give the file a moment to upload before expecting playback elsewhere. And that's all it takes. Open Obsidian, go to your note, drag in your .mp3, .wave, or .m4a. Let Obsidian insert it automatically, and click play to listen without ever leaving your note.